So we've been missing Japan and we found ourselves a round one here in America. Yay! That there's a round one next to us, and we've been here for about 5 minutes and already run the stuffy. Yay, there's cookies. He's trying to win something. Stop himself. Did you win already? Oh, sweet! We're here really early so we can come before there are a lot of people, so we don't have to worry about getting people in the film that didn't want to be in it. This place is pretty big. There's bowling and, of course, catchers, beautiful catchers. Oh no, it looks like you won again.
This one seems to be pretty much a guarantee win.
Awesome.
They all need
yay, Rabuki.
pants.
Where is he? See, you have this card and you put money on it, you swipe it. What makes it very easy to spend a lot of money really fast.
Oh no, I lost.
No.
It doesn't matter. It's not real money.
Trying to get?
Rick. Crap.
No, Mr.
I can't get him.
Poor Pookie. Can't get them, Mr. Poopy Pants. We will have to wait until somebody else moves one around for him. This is what we won in the first 20 minutes of being here. So we put it in the car so we wouldn't have to carry it. So hopefully my husband will slow down now. We have all kinds of games in this place that you don't see usually in an arcade or anything like that. So excited! They really love these photo booths where you can make yourself look anime. So we definitely probably will do this at some point. We'll have to check them out and see. They might be all different. Well, this looks interesting. Lost Land Adventure. We'll have to try that. like to play air hockey. They have bowling alleys here. There's karaoke somewhere. Sure I'll find them soon. I'm terrible at filming, sorry, especially with this gimbal. There's Pookie. No coffee. Well, did you want to go in the mall and see there's coffee?
Not open yet.
There's all the UFO catchers. Our favorite thing in the whole world. Pookie's going at it again. So many UFO catchers. He's trying for the teddy. Didn't move it at all. Not even a budge. You gotta hit it on this foot here. That's where its unstable part would be. That's what I say. But I could be wrong. There it goes. That's not bad. That might do something. Or not. Did you give up on that one? Poor Pookie. Sushi. We need a sushi whale. Oh, we hit it. What will happen? Nothing.
It's not that bad. I've got 290 credits left.
Good thing you brought extra money.
That was terrible.
Yes. Pookie won another prize. That one cost him more than the big ones. He's probably out of money. Are you out of money? No. I tried to win this seal. Because he's just sitting on top there. I think it's possible, but I didn't budget. So I think I'm gonna move around and look around. Bunny is definitely going fast, which I suspected it would. So we're gonna go look for caffeine for a while and then come back and do some other stuff. There's a whole mall here where Round 1 is located, so we're gonna check it out. Pookie walking. Red Star Draft House, not open yet. Too early for beer. This place called Habitat looks like somewhere I would go shopping. I don't know about the clothes, but there's other interesting things in here. If you want your money to last longer while you're out round 1, you can go to this mall to kill some time. We're looking for coffee.
We found it.
And here's the food court. Lots of food. Coffee beanery. They have the flip the table game here. Unfortunately, it's not on right now. I guess it's broken, but that's pretty awesome. Hopefully next time it'll be fixed so we can do it. I did it in Japan. It was fun, but I couldn't read anything because it was all in Japanese. Dia's playing Kung Fu Panda. I'm trying to win tickets, but so far, not very good luck. pictures turned out beautiful. Don't you think? Pookie is especially beautiful. Zach has reloaded his card again and is trying to win. Oh, no, it's not red anymore. Where is he going? Where is he going? Kitties! Don't we already have these? Or are these different? Pookie is gonna go for the arm. He's got it a little bit wedged. Will it work? Maybe. Maybe. No. Cry. Cry, cry. He's trying again.
He's not moving.
No. He's wedged. We ruined it. We were having such good luck earlier today. He's trying a different kind of game where you scoop up balls. And no luck. So if you get any ball, you win?
You have to get into
Scooping up the balls. Oh,
you have to get it where the spot.
did you do it? I don't know.
You have to get it where one of the targets are at.
No luck for Pookie. The crane couple make it look so easy. I am going to try and get Zach to ride this horsey. That'll be so funny. Pookie riding the horsey. Finally made it back here. We got some where you battle against people games back here. Nobody's back here right now to battle. Zach's getting some beer. Yeah. Street Fighter. Tekken Unlimited. Tekken 7. And you fight other people. We're just here super early, so not a lot of people here on purpose so that I can film and not bother anybody. Here's what the karaoke rooms look like. Each one looks different. This is, I guess, the blue karaoke room. We got a pink Sakura karaoke room, I guess. I don't think I'll be able to get Zach in here, though. He's not into singing. This one's cool. It's like some kind of robot world karaoke room. Gonna get attacked by that robot. There are lots of pool tables, so you can also play pool while you're here. I don't know if we'll play or not. We'll see. There's an area for playing darts too, and it's got a nice seating area while you're waiting your turn. That's pretty cool. Pookie-san is over here with the beer. Beer menu. Space Invader beer menu. So we left round one and we went to World of Beer. We had spent too much money at round one, so we decided to move on. And He's checking out all the bottled beer that they have. He looks like he's studying it. We got ourselves some poutine. We are on some random bridge in the middle of Harrisburg. There's a bridge.
It's vibrating.
The bridge is vibrating? Oh yeah, I feel it now. Zach is walking on the scary part of the bridge where the holes are.